on, it's time to go. General, will you just stop for a second? I want to know what happened.
Once there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
I'm looking for
Dinner.
Say, do I know you two? You look awfully familiar.
Nope. First time here.
General Alistair Azimuth, Keeper of Ratchet.
Wow, a jailbreak. You sure know how to impress a girl.
Whoa, he's a she. When aren't they heavily armed?
It's one of those ancient holovid players. We used to watch old episodes of Lance and Janice on those certain things.
Do you understand what this movie's about? Me neither!
I believe I can fly.
We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Dr. Alistair!
By stars! A Lombax! What a remarkable specimen! And with such a shiny coat!
Dr.
Alistair!
Astrophysicist, paradoxologist, and Lombax Whisperer?
So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
He's saying he's hungry!
Wah, wah, wah. Everyone else has had more sex than me. Everyone else has had more sex than me.
How long have you two been standing there?
Too long.
So, how's the reception out here?
We have sports, weather. Ooh, the
Keep going. Whoa, what's that?
Womanizer, womanizer, you're a womanizer, oh, womanizer, oh, you're a womanizer, baby. You are.
Oh, no. Come on!
I think he needs to poo. I'll go get a baggie.
Wah, wah, wah.
If you fellas are done, I'm gonna need that wrench back.
Wait, aren't you gonna give us some cryptic Aren't you gonna give us cryptic advice we can use to defeat Nevo?